Hello dear student, welcome back for Unit 8, Lesson 1, Part 2 for report statement. In the previous lesson, I talked about the rules and the changes that you have to follow in order to change a direct speech to a reported speech or report statement. Now we are going to see the examples and the rules for changing them. The first of all, we have the use. So let's see what is the report statement. Sometimes someone says a sentence. For example, I am going to the cinema tonight. Later, maybe we want to tell someone else what the first person said. This is called reporting statement or reporting someone else's speech. After that, we have the forms. We have two forms or two rules in order to change a direct speech to a report speech. First of all, we have speaker, or the person who said the sentence or the action. After that, followed by one of these words, felt, said, or thought, and after that plus reported statement. The second rule that we have is speaker plus told plus me or us plus that plus report statement. Me and us are object, so this is the object of the sentence that we use. We can use second rule when there is object in the sentence. In other words, when there is said to after the subject. So we can use the second rule when there is object in the sentence, or when there is said to after the subject, we can use the second rule. Let's see in examples. I am studying, he said. I am studying, he said. The question asked to report the statement or report the speaker's speech. So it became like that. He said that he was studying. He said that he was studying. Okay, we rewrite he said, and after that we say that, okay, according to the rule, and we change I to he. As I said in the previous lecture, that we change I to he. Why? Because we have he, so we will change he. We change I to he or she, but because we have he, so we have to say he. And after that we have Also, we change to was, and I am studying became he said that he was studying. This is a reported statement or reported speech. Another example, he said, we will visit them next month. She said, we will visit them next month. So it asked to report the speech. It became like that. She thought that they would visit them next month. She thought that they would visit them next month. If you see, we have some changes. We rewrite the speaker, which is she, and thought as according to the rule, and that according to the rule. So we change we to they. This is the first change, and will to it. Okay, and we rewrite the rest of the sentence. So it became she thought that they would visit them next month. Another example, Salman said to Lana, she drove my car yesterday. Salman said to Lana, she drove my car yesterday. As you see, this is the past simple tense. So it became like that. Salman told Lana that she had driven his car the day before. Salman told Lana that she had driven his car the day before. As you see, we have some changes. Salman, which is the speaker, told according to the rule, and because it's set to the object, we have object, which is Lana, so we write down Lana, or we can say her, and after that we have that according to the rule. So she, it became she again. Drove my car yesterday, which is the past simple and became past perfect, so it became had driven. Drove became driven. His car, my became his, and car the day before. Because you have yesterday, so it became what? The day before. So you have to change yesterday to the day before. This is called reported statement. Another example, Shano said, my brother is very well. Shano said, my brother is very well. So it asked to change to indirect speech. So it became like that. Shano said that her mother was very well. As you see, because we have Shano, which is the speaker, said that according to the rule, we say that we change my to her or his. Because our speaker is female, so we have to say her. Her mother we change is to was. Okay, this is the rules of the changes of the direct speech to indirect speech. So it became Shano said that her mother was very well. Another example, the soldiers said to me, we love our country. It became the soldiers told me that they loved their country. As you see, the soldiers, which is the speaker, told me, we have object me, and that, which is the rule, we change we to they, and this is the present simple, became past simple, love became loved, our became there, and we will rewrite the country as itself. So it became, the soldiers told me that they loved their country. This is all about reporting statements. So let's see what we study in this lesson. Sometimes someone says a sentence. Later, maybe we want to tell someone else what the first person said. This is the brief definition of reported statement. For example, this is a direct speech. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. If we report this speech or became report speech, she said that she liked ice cream. She said that she liked ice cream. So we have two changes here. She said that it is the rule, so you have to follow. We have two changes. I became she. As you see, I became she, and like became liked. This is by this we can change a direct speech to a report speech. This is all about report statement. I hope you understand very well. Thank you very much.